This Bayfront townhome may be one of the best on the island, and here's why. Besides 222 Kings Court having completely unobstructed views of the Laguna Madre, this 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath townhome also has 2 boat slips and boat dock right in your own private backyard. You can also enjoy dining outdoors on level 2, level 1, or on level 3. Beautiful sunlight, beautiful bay views. This townhome is in a gated community on the north side of the island. So you are away from the hustle and bustle of the island, but you can easily head into town to one of our new restaurants, and we've got some great ones. This 4,053 square foot home offers a chef's kitchen with an open dining room and bay windows. The primary bedroom is the owner's retreat, a sanctuary all of its own, with private balconies, lounge space, and waterfront views. The sun sets every evening over the Laguna Madre. Work from home, no problem. Here's your home office space with spectacular views. Designed for entertaining, this Mediterranean Bayfront townhome offers a fabulous opportunity for true Bayfront living. This home is listed at $2.4 million and comes fully furnished. Kings Landing offers a true waterfront lifestyle. Are you ready for waterfront living? Call us to experience our island's exclusive Bayfront living opportunities. Share this video with a friend and click subscribe to stay updated on the latest. Please reach out to us directly. We help buyers and sellers every single day, just like you. 222 West Kings Court is a great home. And until next time, this is Denise signing off from the shores of South Padre Island.